Hi guys, my name's Nicole. I'm with the project design team at Cricut, and I wanted to share some tips and tricks with you today about making the fabric face masks that are on Design Space. Okay, first let's talk about alternate materials. Elastic has been really hard to find for everyone, so we're going to talk about some different things that you can use instead of elastic. Here's one of the first materials that you can use for a tie instead of elastic. This is just a 1/2 inch double fold bias tape, which just means that it has 3 different folds on the inside. It's folded twice, so you can use this as a tie or you can use it to finish your seams. Next we have just ribbon. This is literally a vintage ribbon that I had in my stash. Yeah, it's 1/4 inch ribbon, so you can use this in the casing for your masks as well. Make sure it's not any kind of a paper, make sure it's fabric ribbon. And then last but not least, you can use any kind of stretchy material. So this is just some fun jersey fabric that I had. The nice thing about this is you can cut this in strips. I do 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch strips, and they don't need to be hemmed or anything like that because this isn't gonna unravel or come apart, which is super nice. So there's 3 different options right there of ribbon, jersey fabric, and bias tape. So I'm going to show you how to make what's called Tshirt yarn. It's basically, we have a t-shirt here. It's old and stretchy, so we're just going to cut strips. So not that one because it's not very straight, but after that you just slide this over, and anywhere from 1/2 inch to 1 inch is fine, and it's still a little stretchy and is perfect for your ties. You don't have to finish any edges. You can trim off this if you'd like, but it's not super important. Okay, so this is how you would thread the different materials through the casing on the fabric mask. Open your small safety pin and attach it to the end of your tying material. Push that into the casing. I like to do it from the bottom out through the top, and then you would just leave these 2 ends long so that they can be used for ties on either side. Now if you're doing it with Tshirt yarn piece, you're going to do it the same exact way. You're just going to push your safety pin through one side, through the top or the bottom of the casing, and out the other side, leaving the ends that can cinch, and then they would use those ties to tie it. And last but not least, some satin ribbon. You would do it the same way. You're using the safety pin to be able to feel the end of the ribbon or the material, and you just pull it through. Make sure that you have enough length to actually tie it when it's on someone's face. That way you do not have to have the elastic, you do not have to zigzag the elastic together. And if you want to make sure that these don't shift, then you would just sew a straight line across here in the middle, and that would keep it from pulling all the way through, but it's really not necessary. That's it.